Now we'll do waving hands and clouds. I like to take a slightly larger stance. And we'll put our left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. And remember to have enough space that it's comfortable. You're not crowding and you're not extending too far. It's a very comfortable space. And that you're protecting your middle line. It's called the midline of the body. Right in front of the heart and down in the personal area. Then we rotate and weight shift in the direction you're rotating. The top hand becomes heavy and sinks down, and the bottom hand floats up. And the bottom arm is the driver, as though you're pushing through the water. So you release, float, rotate. Keeping your eyes neutral, your nose over your dantian. The bottom arm scoops. Scoop the bottom arm, press through the water. So releasing that top arm creates the momentum. Release, scoop and follow. One more. Once you come back to your center line, keep that connection between the hands, and we do a very small open and close. We'll do 3. This is very helpful for feeling the energy between the hands. And if you want to breathe with it, you can. And then we'll just take that ball, let it settle down. And then we end with a gathering chi all around you, as though you're receiving all of the high frequency energy that surrounds your body, and allow it to flow into you and through you, going to all the places it's most needed. And then we just let our arms settle and release, opening up our posture and come back into Wuji.